Ay, this is David Maris reporting for today, and this is my original question for today for me. Today, the question is, when you are entering the room, what is your feeling? Oh, I feel so good because I'm so good, you know. Yeah, you're good. Oh, very good. And you know there's many things. We occupy space and other minerals and water and ecosystem. Thank you for that. No, you know so many the Philippines so many Tagalog version. Tagalog version, kung sakali kayo magiging Pilipinas, tanong maaari mong i-pag-chat kaya sa kupang mga kung sakali ako ito sa Google President.
Si Obama.
Ito po si Obama, mga kaibigan. From America. Yeah. Pat. Cameraman. Tagalog. Yeah. Ako lang magbigay ng trabaho sa mga Pilipino upang maging ma-online. Pagkatuwa ko lang yan. Programa kabahay sa mga and question. Go. Tagalog.
Any question daw?
Upper? Oh, upper? What's the answer? When you are in the
Video ka muna,
I can't believe black anymore. Hey, you then there's like oh, hey, come on, there. On the flip of the 700 of the 8 of Asia. Hindi that danger? Yes, danger of tomorrow. Yeah, we're not going to be so oh, people are always wrong. Yeah, people are beautiful and no.